Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn English with Emma and Jones, the podcast where we help you speak real, natural English, slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm your host, Jones, and in today's episode, we are going deep into the world of real life English. Yes, not textbook English, but the English you hear on the streets, in cafes, on the phone, and even when you're just walking with a friend. If you want to speak like a native, you must practice daily sentences, the kind of English people actually use. And guess what? That's exactly what we're doing today. You will hear real life English. You will repeat with me. You will shadow. You will speak. You will imagine. You will live the English language. So grab your tea or coffee, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Part 1. Why real life English is different. All right, before we jump into the sentences, let's answer a simple question. Why is real life English hard for many learners? Because it's not like the books. In school, you learn. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. But in real life, people say, Hey, what's up? I'm good. You? Not bad. Just busy. See the difference? Real life English is faster, shorter, more casual, and sometimes confusing if you're not ready for it. But don't worry. Today, I will show you the sentences natives use every single day, and you will practice them with me. Are you ready? Let's dive into the first set. Part 2. Morning routines talk like a native. Let's imagine it's morning. You just woke up. What do you say? Repeat after me. Ugh, I need 5 more minutes. I slept like a baby. I didn't sleep well last night. Now, let's say them again, slowly. Ugh, I need 5 more minutes. I slept like a baby. I didn't sleep well last night. Great. These are sentences people really say in real life, not in a grammar test. Let's continue. You're getting dressed now. Where's my other sock? This shirt is too wrinkled. Ugh, I don't know what to wear today. Now say it with feeling. Shadow me. Ugh, I don't know what to wear today. Part 3. Kitchen talk. Real phrases. Now, you're in the kitchen. Let's practice. I need coffee before I can think. Do we have any milk left? Can you pass me the sugar? Say it again with me. I need coffee before I can think. Do we have any milk left? These are real sentences that come up every single day. Now imagine a quick conversation. Want some toast? No, I'm good. Just coffee. Suit yourself. Shadow it with me. No, I'm good. Just coffee. Suit yourself. Part 4. At work or school. You're at your desk or in class. Here's how people speak. Let's take a quick break. I'm swamped with work today. Did you finish that thing we talked about? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. These are the kind of phrases you won't find in grammar books. Let's try a short dialogue. Hey, did you get that email from Tom? Yeah, I just replied. Cool. Let me know if he says anything. Now, you repeat with me. Yeah, I just replied. Let me know if he says anything. Part 5. Hanging out with friends. Now imagine you're with a friend. You're relaxing. Let's speak like that. Want to grab something to eat? I'm craving pizza. Sounds good to me. Let's go. Now, let's make it fun. I'm starving. Let's grab a bite. Pizza? Always. Say it with me. I'm starving. Let's grab a bite. Always. That's how real friends talk. Part 6. Talking on the phone. Phone English is fast. Let's make it easy. Hey, can you talk right now? I'll call you back in 5. Let me check and get back to you. Now, shadow me again. Hey, can you talk right now? I'll call you back in 5. Good job. Part 7. Expressing emotions naturally. Let's learn some emotional daily expressions. I'm so tired today. That movie was amazing. I'm not in the mood. I feel much better now. Say them with emotion. That movie was amazing. I'm not in the mood. Part 8. What native speakers actually say. Let's now look at some very native style expressions. No worries. It's okay. I'm just messing with you. I'm joking. That's not my thing. I don't like that. You nailed it. You did great. Repeat them with me. No worries. I'm just messing with you. You nailed it. These are how natives really talk. Part 9. Tips to sound more native. Let's now add some power tips. Learn short phrases, not just single words. Practice shadowing daily, just like this. Watch and listen to real conversations. Speak with emotion. Create your own dialogues. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be real. Daily Practice Challenge. Here's your daily practice challenge. Choose 5 daily life situations, like morning, work, cooking, texting, etc. Write or record 2 short sentences for each. Say them out loud twice a day, morning and evening. Bonus: shadow with this episode every day this week. That's how you build real English muscle. If you enjoyed this episode, do 3 simple things. Like this video. It helps us reach more learners like you. Subscribe to Learn English with Emma and Jones for more real-life speaking practice. Comment below with your favorite daily sentence, and we'll reply to you. Remember, English is not just a subject. It's a tool for connection, stories, friendships, and dreams. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and most of all, believe in yourself. You're doing great. One step, one sentence, one day at a time. I'm Jones, and this is Learn English with Emma and Jones. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.